Hi everyone and welcome back to Learn Math 24. In this video I'm going to solve a problem from the ACT math test that involves coordinate geometry. Like in the last video, first I'm going to walk you through this problem so that you learn how to solve it, and then I'm going to show you how to solve it quickly in less than 1 minute. Okay, let's begin. In the standard xy coordinate plane, the point 3 and minus 5 is the midpoint of the line AB. Point B has coordinates 9 and 2. What are the coordinates of point A? Well, the midpoint of the line AB is determined by the formula M equals A plus B divided by 2. Since we are looking for the point A, we should rearrange the equation to get 2 times M equals A plus B, which gives us 2 times M minus B equals A. Now we can substitute the values for M and B to get 2 times midpoint is 3 and minus 5, minus B has coordinates 9 and 2. Now we can calculate this expression to get 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times minus 5 is minus 10, minus 9 and 2, which gives us 6 minus 9 equals minus 3, minus 10 minus 2 gives us minus 12, and that's it. The answer is C. Great. On the test day, you shouldn't write down all these steps. Instead, in order to save time, you should write down only the most crucial steps. In this case, the rearrange equation to find the point A and the substituted coordinates. Now, let's solve the problem once more. As always, first you should determine what we are being asked for. In this case, the coordinates of point A. We are given the midpoint of the line AB, and point B has coordinates 9 and 2. Using the rearrange formula for point A, we get A equals 2 times M minus B, which gives us 2 times M equals 6 and minus 10, minus B has coordinates 9 and 2. That gives us 6 minus 9 is minus 3, minus 10 minus 2 is minus 12, and that's it. The answer is C. Great. By learning to write down only the most crucial steps, you could save a significant amount of time on the test day. Alright, I hope this video was helpful for your test preparation. If you have any questions, just comment below and I will be happy to help. For more examples, check out my other videos and playlists on this channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.